Hey everyone, welcome back to Luxe Life. Today we're looking at something truly special, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a creation that blends Scandinavian design with modern adventure. Volvo has always been known for safety, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Now the company has brought all of that expertise into the motorhome world. The result is a vehicle that feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels, made for people who want freedom, comfort, and elegance wherever they travel. From the outside, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome looks sleek and confident. It carries Volvo's signature grille at the front, paired with slim LED matrix headlights that light up the road beautifully. The large panoramic windshield gives an incredible view, while retractable mirrors and flush windows help reduce wind noise and improve aerodynamics. Every curve and line is carefully designed to make this vehicle stand out on the road. Solar panels on the roof keep things efficient and eco-friendly, while the sides include smooth panels, sliding doors, and hidden storage compartments for your gear. At the back, sleek LED taillights complete the clean and modern look. Once you step inside, it feels like walking into a Scandinavian-style apartment. The interior is bright, warm, and peaceful, with natural tones and high-quality materials everywhere. Volvo's simple and elegant design makes the space both relaxing and functional. The cockpit feels futuristic, featuring a digital driver display and advanced systems like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, making long trips effortless. The main living area is designed for comfort. The leather seats are soft and supportive, with heating, cooling, and even massage features for a smooth ride. The dining area can easily turn into a cozy bed, so every bit of space is used wisely. The kitchen has everything you need: an induction cooktop, a refrigerator, a microwave, and even a small dishwasher in the higher trims. Soft LED lighting runs throughout the cabin, creating a calm atmosphere. The climate control system automatically keeps the temperature just right, no matter where you are. The bedroom is pure comfort, featuring a plush, queen-size memory foam bed, reading lights, and plenty of storage space. Some versions even include a retractable TV and a skylight, perfect for enjoying the stars at night. The bathroom is another highlight. It has a rainfall shower, a modern vanity, and a smart water system that recycles gray water, making it great for longer journeys. Under the hood, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome uses a hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged petrol engine with electric motors. It delivers smooth, quiet power and lets you drive up to 150 kilometers on electric mode alone, ideal for city trips or eco-friendly travel. The adaptive suspension ensures a stable, comfortable ride, whether you're on smooth highways or rough countryside roads. And with safety features like blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and hill descent control, driving this big vehicle feels surprisingly easy. Prices start around $180,000 and go up to about $240,000 for the fully loaded version. That might sound high, but for what you get, advanced technology, world-class comfort, and Volvo's trusted quality, it's worth every penny. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a new way to travel. It gives you the freedom of the open road with all the comforts of home. It's the perfect example of how Volvo combines safety, design, and luxury into one beautiful machine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos about luxury cars and futuristic travel, only on Luxe Life. Would you take the 2026 Volvo Motorhome on your next big road trip? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.